Hey guys, all right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right guys, today I'm gonna make onions ring. All right, very good guys. It's going to bring the flavor together. All right, very good. Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have on my table to make this delicious, special onions ring. All right guys, very good. I have here 1 teaspoon of paprika. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, don't use. Very good. All right, also I have 1 tablespoon of salt. If you need more salt, just add it. Also I have 1 tablespoon of red wine. All right guys, you have to try the red wine, right? It's gonna bring the flavor together. Very good. Also I have 1 tablespoon of parsley. I have a half cup of sour cream. Also I have 2 cups of milk. You guys can use any milk you wanted. If you need more, just add it. Also I have 2 large white onions. All right guys, very good. Also I have 2 cups of oil. If you need more, just add it. Also I have 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs. Also I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Very good. Also I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Very good. All right guys, also I have 1 large egg. Also I have a half cup of flour. Also I have a half cup of corn starch. All right guys, would you like to cook with me? All right guys, let's go. Very good. All right guys, let's start this. All right, I have here my paprika. Very good. I also have here my garlic powder. Bingo! All right guys, very good. Also I have here my salt. Very good. I have here my parsley. All right. Also I have here my black pepper. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, bring the camera here together. Very good. This is my chili powder. All right, very good. This is my breadcrumbs. Very good. Also I have here my flour. Looking good. Very good. Also I have here my corn starch. Very good. All right guys, I will be right back. Welcome back. All right guys, my next step is gonna be my eggs, right? Very good. All right, now I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, right? Very good. Slowly. Very good. All right, it's looking good. Looking good guys. Very good. All right, very good. Very good. Mix up very well. All right, and everything's gonna be beautiful. Hey guys, if you need a good food, right, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All right, and I'll be there to entertain you. All right, very good. All right guys, my next step is gonna be my sour cream. Very good. All right, so let's mix very well. All right. Very good. So let's keep mixing. That's right. It's a little hard to mix. All right. Let's mix these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Now I'm ready for my milk. All right. So I have to do it slowly. Okay. Very slowly. Let me start to mix this slowly. All right. Very good. All right. Take your time. All right. Everything will be beautiful. All right. Very good. It's getting there. All right. Very good. Now put a little bit more milk. Put the rest of the milk. That's it. Very good. Okay, now mix it up slowly. All right. Let's mix it up, these babies. All right. And I'll be right back. All right. Welcome back. All right, guys. Let's finish this recipe. All right. So it's nice and glossy. You guys can take a look. Bring the camera together. All right. You don't want this watered down. All right. It's glossy. All right. Thick. All right. Very good. All right. So my next step now is gonna be my red wine. Very good. All right. Look how beautiful it looks. And it's gonna be very tasty. All right. Very good. So let me put, that's my hot sauce. Very good. All right. Looking good. Very good. So now you have to mix it up very well. All right, bring the camera together. It's looking very good. Nice and colorful. All right. Very good. Make sure if you mix very, very well. All right. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna preheat my stove. Right? Very good. Medium high. All right. So now I'm ready for my oil. Very good. The way I say, if you guys need more oil, just add it. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Very good. Let's go. All right, guys. I see you very shortly. All right, guys. Welcome back. So let's fry these babies. All right. Very good. All right, it's looking good. All right, put here next to me. All right, so let's start this. All right, so what you have to do is take one by one. All right, take your time. You have to use your hands. All right, so you just, very good. You have nice looks, nice and thick. All right, they will stay there. A little mess, but it's gonna taste delicious. All right, very good. All right, so make sure if the sauce is nice and thick. All right, so very good. All right, I will be right back. Welcome back. All right, guys, now it's time to flip. Right, nice and crispy. Right, nice and crispy. Also, you guys need a lot of oil. All right, like the way I say, if you need more oil, just add it. All right, so very good. All right, it's looking good. Get there. Very good. All right, guys, I think this baby is ready. All right, let's take it out. I already put some towel here. All right, well, this one is stick together. Very good. All right, look at that. How beautiful. Like a gold color. All right, nice and crispy. See? Very good. All right. Looking good. All right. Last one here. All right. Let's cook more. All right, guys, you have to make sure you dump very well, right? As you can see here, make sure it goes everywhere, right? They're very glossy. All right, very good. All right, guys, let me cook these babies, all right? And I'll be back very shortly. Hey, guys, all right, welcome back. All right, guys, my onions It's cooking. All right. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the sauce. All right. For the sauce, I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I have a quarter cup of ketchup. I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys don't want hot sauce, if you guys don't want chili powder, just don't add it. All right. Also, I have 1 cup of mayonnaise. Right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix everything together. Actually, I can mix everything together over here. Very good. So this is my ketchup. I mix it up with the mayonnaise. All right. Very good. After that, this is my hot sauce. It's looking good. Very good. And this is my chili powder. All right, very good. All right, guys, just mix it up carefully. Everything together. All right. And it's gonna taste delicious. All right. All right, guys, let's mix it up this baby. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my onion ring is almost ready. All right, you guys can take a look. Now it's time to flip. Nice and crispy. All right, and brown color. All right, very good, guys. It's looking good, and it's gonna taste delicious. All right, very good. All right, don't forget to turn over. All right, it's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys, see you very shortly. Hey, guys, welcome back. Very good. My onion rings, sheesh, my onion rings is ready. All right, I'm gonna let it sit here for 1 more minute. All right, and I'll be right back. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, guys, all right, very good. Hey, guys, I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, guys, take a look. Please bring the camera together. Looks beautiful, very easy to do, very, very crispy, very tasty. All right. Hey, guys, you have to try this recipe, all right? I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, this is the party for 3. All right, cheers.